it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and it's time to go over the 5 must-do deals for CVS next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday, February 2nd, and go through the following Saturday, February 8th. So I have 5 must-do deals for you guys. I also have 2 of the spend deals, including the P&G Spend 20, get a $5 extra buck this week. I also have an amazing scenario if you guys got the 10 off of 40 household laundry, paper products, and cleaners CRT, which I think is absolutely amazing. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, anytime I post some new deals or where to get some amazing products each week, you guys won't miss out. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. First deal is a very hot deal on some contact solutions. So we don't get many contact solution deals, and it's very, very expensive if you guys use contacts. So the deal is BioRenew and BioTrue are going to be on sale for $7.99. When you buy one, you're going to get a $3 extra buck. Now, in this Sunday's paper, we're supposed to be getting a Smart Source and a Retail Me Not. So I believe we're just getting 2 inserts. In the Smart Source insert, you're going to find a $4 off coupon. So we're going to pay $3.99 out of pocket, but we're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So final cost is just 99 cents, which I thought was a really great deal. It is a limit of 1. So if you have any friends or family, brothers, sisters, anything like that who does use contacts, make sure you guys pick one up for them because it's only going to cost you 99 cents. The next deal is a really great moneymaker on some hair care. Now, hair care does count towards CVS Beauty for any of the newbie couponers watching this channel. So the $7 would count towards CVS Beauty. For CVS Beauty, every $30 in beauty items that you spend, which includes shampoos, conditioners, facial care items, and of course, makeup items, fragrances, things like that, you're going to get a $3 beauty buck. So this deal for the Garnier Whole Blends is on sale. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and they're also on sale 2 for $7. So you're going to pick up 2 of them. You can mix and match. You can do 2 shampoos, whatever. There's also going to be a $2 instant coupon at the Redbox Coupon Center. That is a coupon that is going to print for absolutely everyone, so anyone can take advantage of this deal. No special CRTs or anything needed. If you guys did not get the 4 off of 2 coupon from the 119 Retail Me Not, you guys can always purchase that coupon online. That's where I personally got it because my insert did not come with that coupon. So I went to thecouponmarketplace.com and I purchased the coupon. It cost me 10 cents. Shipping was $1, so that's where I got that to use for this deal. So you'll use a $4 off 2 coupon from the 119 Retail Me Not. The 2 off 2 instant coupon, we're going to pay just $1 out of pocket, but we're going to get back $3 in extra bucks. So final cost is free and a $2 moneymaker. Even if you don't have that $4 coupon, final cost with the instant coupon and the extra bucks is going to be 2 for $2, which is still an amazing price, just $1 a piece for some good shampoo and conditioner. Now, select Nivea products. It's going to be on the lotions, the body washes, or the creams. It is a limit of 1 for this deal, so you'd have to pick whichever one you guys want to do. It is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So the deal that I put together is going to be to buy 2 of the Nivea Men's Body Wash. They are $5.99 each at my store. Store pricing can vary a little bit, sometimes up to 30 cents, so just make sure that you check your stores and adjust your math accordingly. We're getting a 3 off of 2 Nivea Men's Body Wash coupon in the Smart Source insert that we're getting this Sunday. We're going to pay $8.98 out of pocket, but we're going to get back that $5 extra buck. So final cost is going to be $3.98 for both, or just $1.99 each. Now, if you have a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT like I do, you're going to put that in with this deal. Then you'll pay just $6.98 out of pocket, get back that $5 extra buck, makes them 99 cents each, which I think is an amazing deal, especially on some men products. So you guys can stock up as well. Schick disposable razors. This could be a moneymaker depending on if you have any shave CRTs. Last week, I had a 4 off of 10 shave CRT, which was the first time I had gotten that one. Most of the time, I either get like a 3 off of 12, it could be a 3 off of 15, 5 off of 20, or 5 off of 25. So check your CRTs, see what you guys have, and see if there's any that you can pair in with this deal. So they are on sale, 2 for $15, which right there is going to save you about $2.60 because standard price, they're $8.29. So it's going to be on the Schick disposable razors. It does exclude the 8 count, the Hydro, and the Fab 3 count. So just keep that in mind. You're going to pick up any 2. There is a $7 off of 2 coupon coming in these in the February 2nd Smart Source insert. I put that as regional, and the reason why I did that is because when I looked online at the insert previews, I didn't see that coupon listed in the Smart Source or the Retail Me Not insert. But as you can see right here from the ad, it's showing scissors, which means it's coming in some of the Sunday papers. So make sure you guys check your Sunday papers, see if you are one of the lucky regions to get that high value coupon. With that, you'll pay $8 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is $3 for both, or just $1.50 each, which is a great, great price on some razors. If you have a 4 off of 10 shave CRT or a 3 off of 15 shave CRT, anything like that, make sure you pair that with this deal. You'll pay just $4 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost would be free and a $1 moneymaker. So that is always an amazing deal when we can get a freebie and even a moneymaker. The next deal is on Speed Stick deodorant. Men's and women's are both going to be included. They are buy one, get one half off next week. They're also buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 of the deodorants. My store, the Lady Speed Sticks are $3.59. So the second one, because it is buy one, get one half off, second one is going to be $1.79. So total is going to be $5.38. We're going to use 2 50-cent coupons that anyone can print from speedstick.com. We're going to pay $4.38 out of pocket, get back that $3 extra buck. Final cost would be 69 cents each, which is not a bad deal at all for some deodorant. I used to love Lady Speed Stick deodorant, but now I switched over and I actually use men's deodorant. Now, if you have $1 off of any deodorant CRT or even a $2 off of 2 deodorant CRT, which would be even more amazing, with the $1 off any deodorant CRT like I have, you'll pay $3.38 out of pocket, get back the $3 extra buck, so final cost is just 19 cents each, which is so, so great. So if you guys need some deodorant, if you guys want to stock up, or again, if you know anybody who needs deodorant, make sure you guys pick up some for them. It's also a very good donation item. Any personal hygiene product is always needed at homeless shelters, things like that. So if you guys want to go ahead and start getting together a stockpile to donate this year, that would always be amazing. So those are the top 5 deals. So this deal is spend $15, get a $3 extra buck. Now, Persil detergent is included. That one is going to be a Sunday only deal because the $2 coupon expires Sunday. Now, you can still pick it up anytime next week, but the $2 coupon is going to expire on Sunday. So that's why I highlighted that for you guys. Just wanted to make sure that you were aware. So that is $4.99. Then you're going to pick up one of the Scott toilet paper. It's not pictured here, but it is included. It's a 6-pack of the Comfort Plus. It's $4.99. You're going to pick up 2 of the Kleenex bundle packs. They're on sale 2 for $3. And 2 of the Kleenex wet wipes. They're also on sale 2 for $3. So your total is going to be $15.98. You're going to use that $2 Persil coupon from the $1.19 Retail Me Not insert. The $1 off of Kleenex bundle coupon from the $1.26 Smart Source. 50 cents off of the Kleenex wet wipes coupon from the $1.26 Smart Source as well. Then a 50-cent off one wet wipes coupon that you can print from Kleenex.com. You'll also use a $2 off of 8 toilet paper or facial tissue CRT if you guys have it. So with all those coupons and CRTs, you'll pay $9.98 out of pocket, get back a $3 extra buck. So final cost is just $1.16 each, which is very, very great of a price point. Okay, the next spend deal I want to share with you guys is on Febreze, Swiffer, and Cascade. They're on sale, buy one, get one half off, and spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. This spend deal is also a limit of 1. So the deal I put together, you're going to pick up 2 Febreze Air Effects for $4.19. The second one is going to be $2.09. Then you're going to pick up 4 Febreze Small Spaces. My store, they're $3.49. So the second one is going to be $1.74. Total cost is going to be $16.74. Now, we're going to use a 3 off of 2 digital for Febreze. Then we're going to use a $3 off of 2 Febreze Small Spaces coupon. The coupon is a buy one, get one free, but it's a limit value up to $3. So that's why I just put $3 off of 2 to make it a little easier as far as the math purposes. And we got a separate one for the Air Effects. Same thing. It was a buy one, get one free coupon up to a $3 value. And we got it in the February P&G insert. So with all those coupons, we're going to pay $7.74 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is $2.74 for all 6 items, or just 45 cents each. But remember, there is a way to get it for even cheaper. So I will go over that with you guys in just a minute. And this is the deal that I put together for the P&G. It's the spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 Windex for $6, 2 scrubbing bubbles for $6, 1 Downy fabric softener for $5.94, and 1 Tide Pods for $4.99. Total is going to be $22.93. We're going to use a $2 digital for the Tide Pods. That is if we get one. So I put estimated because it shows a send to card coupon for that big bundle of products in the ad, but it doesn't say which one and it doesn't say how much. So typically we get a $2 Tide Pod coupon. If not, there is a $1 printable coupon from pgeveryday.com, or one came in the February P&G. So on Sunday, I will have to update this once I see the exact amounts for the digital coupons. Then you're going to use a $1 off of the Downy digital coupon. And I have a $1 app-only coupon for Downy. So for the app-only coupons, you have to obviously find it on the app on a phone. You cannot look it up on a desktop computer, anything like that. It will not show up. So when you guys go to coupons, you'll see some app-only coupons. They will not print out at the red box or anything like that. They are only on the app, so you have to make sure you clip that and send it to your card. We're also going to use 2 75-cent coupons. They are printables from coupons.com, so make sure you guys head over there as soon as possible and get those printed. We're also using $2 off coupons from the Scrubbing Bubbles, also available on coupons.com. With all of those, we're going to pay just $15.43 out of pocket, but we're going to get back that $5 extra buck. So final cost is $10.43 for 6 items, or $1.74 each, which is not a bad deal at all. Okay, here is the amazing 10 off of 40 household CRT that I came up with. Super excited to share this with you guys. This is definitely the deal that I'm going to be taking advantage of on Sunday. So what you're going to be doing is combining a few of those spend deals that I showed you in the last few slides. So we're picking up 2 of the Febreze Air Effects, 4 of the Small Spaces, 2 of the Windex, 2 Scrubbing Bubbles, 1 Downy Fabric Softener, 1 Tide Pods. We're also going to pick up an all detergent. It's the liquid detergent. It's on sale next week for $2.99. That way we'll reach over the $40 threshold to be able to use this CRT. So our total is going to be $42.66. Now, all the coupons we're going to be using, we're using the 3 off of 2 digital for the Febreze, 3 off of 2 Small Spaces from the 126 P&G, and the 3 off of 2 Febreze Air Effects from the 126 P&G. Now remember, those coupons are buy one, get one free coupons, but the limit is up to $3. So that's why I typed it out this way. We're going to use that $2 digital or whatever we get on Sunday if we get a digital. Again, if not, we'll just print it from pgeveryday.com. everyday.com. We'll use the $1 Downy Digital, $1 app only coupon for Downy, the 2 75-cent printables for Windex, $2 printables for scrubbing bubbles. Then we're going to use $1 on the all detergent that we're getting in the Sunday insert. I'm not exactly sure which insert, but we are getting it on Sunday. Total for the coupons is $27.50. Okay, so the final cost for all of these products, we're getting 13 items. Using that CRT, total product cost is $42.66. Total for the coupons, including that CRT, is $27.50. So we're going to pay only $15.16 out of pocket. We're going to get back $5 extra buck from the one spend deal and a $5 extra buck from the other spend deal from the previous slides that I showed you, because those are the two deals that we're combining to use the CRT. Final cost will be $5.16 for all 13 items, or just 39 cents each. I'm so excited about this deal, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. I'm certainly going to be taking advantage of this and posting it on my CVS haul video. So of course, if I have any issues or anything, I will let you guys know. Now, as far as in the first spend deal, when I showed you guys using like a 2 off of 8 paper towel CRT, or if you guys have any 3 off of 12 laundry CRTs, we are getting some laundry detergents and things like that. But the reason why you will not be able to use any other spend CRTs is because we're using this spend CRT, which is $10 off of 40. The product cost is only $42.66. So if we were to use, say, another $2 off of 8 paper towel or laundry CRT, anything like that, we would have to spend a total of at least $48. So just wanted to clarify that for you guys. I get that question quite a bit. It can be a little confusing sometimes. So I wanted to let you guys know that, because I did put a 2 off of 8 paper towel CRT in one of the previous deals, but we are not going to use that during these deals because we have the 10 off of 40 household CRT. So if this was helpful for you guys, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family so they can take advantage of these amazing deals going on at CVS next week as well. If you haven't seen the CVS ad preview, please click on this video here. Same as with the Walgreens video, you guys can click this video so you guys can watch what upcoming deals we have for Walgreens. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, just click my face icon right here, and that'll get you subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.